I'm here with a can of chicken of the sea wild caught sardines in Louisiana hot sauce. Let's give these a try. Sardine Cuisine. I've never had these before, so let's check them out. This is a 3.75 ounce can, and these are the ingredients. They are sardines, water, vinegar, and less than 2% of maltodextrin, modified food starch, paprika, salt, spice extractives, xanthan gum, guar gum, and caramel color. And it says these are a product of Poland. Now let's open this up. That sauce is really red. Let's dump these out. Let's take a look at what's going on in here. So these are pretty small sardines, which is fine. There's a lot of them. Wow. Look at all these sardines. It's kind of amazing that they fit this many sardines in that one can. I feel like there's a whole lot here. Not the best aroma. It's a little bit off-putting, actually. I'm gonna taste a piece here. I'm tasting a lot of hot sauce. I almost feel like it's a tomato sauce, but it's not. It's really spicy. It's a really thick hot sauce. As far as the sardines themselves go, I'm not really a fan of these. They're really mushy. I mean, obviously they have a fishy flavor, but I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. Maybe very briny. They have like a very briny, fishy flavor, if that makes any sense. So what I'm gonna do is put half of these in a storage container because I've been eating like half a can of sardines a day, and then I'll just eat these today. I've decided that I'm going to make a pizza. I have a single serving portion of pizza dough here. I freeze pizza dough in about 2-ounce portions, so if I ever want a quick pizza, I could just easily make myself a quick pizza. So I'm gonna stretch out this dough, and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put on top of it. Here's my pizza dough after I stretched it out, and I'll be cooking it in this electric griddle that I have. This is like an 8-inch electric griddle, and it just like perfectly fits this little pizza. I'm actually gonna cook the dough for a few minutes before I put toppings on. It's been 2 minutes. Let's take a look at the crust. Wow, look at that crust. Getting all bubbly. And instead of pizza sauce, I am just gonna use some tomato paste, which works really well for just like a quick pizza topping. I have tomato paste in a tube here. Hopefully I'll have enough. I'm near the end of the tube. I might not have enough. Found another tube, so let's put some more tomato paste on here. Now let's put some seasoning on here. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of garlic powder and Italian seasoning. I don't have any shredded cheese. I do have slices of Munster, so I'm just gonna use these. The nice thing about homemade pizza is that you could just use whatever you have on hand. Like anything that you have, you could put on pizza. And this is gonna be delicious. Although, I don't think I've ever made pizza with sardines before. I've had anchovy pizza, but not really sardine pizza. So there's some cheese, and now let's put the sardines on. There it is, a spicy sardine pizza. Let's close this. And I'm gonna cook that for a few minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check on this pizza. And that's what's going on. The cheese is nice and melted, and everything is like piping hot. So I'm gonna say this pizza is done. Here's the pizza. Now I'm gonna cut this into slices. I can't find my pizza cutter, so I'm using this instead. I think that looks really good. I'm going to start with this piece here. Spicy Sardine Pizza. That's pretty good. It reminds me of anchovy pizza. I like the hot sauce on it though, it gives it a little kick. It's really surprising how much this tastes like an anchovy pizza. Just with hot sauce on it also. I guess it's because, you know how I said the sardines tasted kind of briny? I think that gives them almost like a little bit of an anchovy flavor. If you like anchovy pizza, this is pretty good. I think it would be even better if I had some like sauteed peppers and onions to put that on there with the sardines. I just remembered that I do have some cut up onions in my refrigerator. I think these are sweet white onions. I know they're white onions. I'm not sure that they're sweet, but I'm going to give it a try with the onions. Yeah, that's really good with the onions. Actually, the fact that the onions are raw gives it a nice bright flavor. And so that's how I'm eating these chicken of the sea sardines in Louisiana hot sauce today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel for more sardine reviews and sardine recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.